Presenting, boAt Airdopes 141 True Wireless Earbuds in bold black, cyan cider and pure white. The box includes Airdopes 141, additional earbuds, charging cable, user manual and warranty card. It comes with a size of 5 by 5 by 2 cm and weighs up to 60 grams. This wireless earbuds is made with ENx technology. The 8mm driver provides immersive audio. It has a battery life of 42 hours. It comes with inbuilt mic along with voice assistant feature. The IPX4 rating provides water and sweat resistance. It consists of easy touch controls. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page.